Hello. Dear Power Star, Pawan Kalyan, Trivikram Garu, Nitin, producer Chinnababu Garu, Samantha, all darling friends. Trivikram Garu, director Garu first cinema, Nitin to second film, Chinnababu Garu to first film, Samantha to first film. What a film. What a film to be a part of. I'm proud. I was telling Nitin, what a performance in the climax. Fantastic performance. Samantha was telling, I was telling her, you're the cutest thing on this earth. Love to work with you. You're fantastic in the film. She was telling I was good. We all are saying Trivikram was good. Good. Na adrushtam. Na career lo as a character artist ga one of my best roles kaadu, the best role idi ani nenu cheppochu. I thank Trivikram garu. It is not nenu jatakalu cheppanu, facts cheptanu. It is not just a blockbuster hit. It will be a memorable film in Telugu industry. నేను చెప్తున్నాను ఈ రోజున. Mickey Mayor గారు, కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్. కంగ్రాట్స్ టు ద ఎంటైర్ యూనిట్. త్రివిక్రమ్ గారికి ఒక ఎమోషనల్ మూమెంట్లో ఒకటే చెప్పాను. నా గురువు జంజాల వెళ్ళిపోయారు అనుకున్నాను. మళ్ళీ నేను చూస్తున్నాను. యుగానికి ఒక legend is there. Thank you for the entire unit. Thank you for Power Star for being there. Thank you very much and love you all. Thank you. Let's watch.